What's up, Tech King? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be talking about the release date for the LG K51 and the LG Stylo 6 for Metro by T-Mobile. Stay tuned. What's up, everyone? Hope everyone is having a good day today. I just got some leaks courtesy of Aloha Android. He got the leaks for the release dates or the launch dates of the Metro by T-Mobile Stylo 6 and LG K51. Now we have a little thing right here. I'll go ahead and put it up on the screen. It says LG K51 and Stylo 6 launching soon. Metro by T-Mobile customers can soon purchase the latest affordable devices from LG. Available May 25th, the LG K51. And on June 10th, the LG Stylo 6 will be available for anyone looking for an affordable smartphone designed with popular features. So what do you guys think? We're getting it at Metro by T-Mobile on June 10th for the LG Stylo 6. I know a ton of people are hyped about this phone. How do you guys feel about this? I'm sure we're going to be seeing some really awesome sales from Metro by T-Mobile, probably some free devices, some free K51s or some free Stylo 6s. When you switch to Metro by T-Mobile. So you can probably expect something like that, considering that Metro has done that in the past. Now onto the specifications real quick. I just want to do a quick highlight of each device since they are being released to Metro by T-Mobile and you guys want to know what's in the phone. So first and foremost, we have the LG Stylo 6. It offers a MediaTek Helio P35, a 2.3 gigahertz octa-core processor, 3 gigabytes of RAM, and 64 gigabytes of internal storage. And you guys can actually expand your storage via micro SD card up to 2 terabytes. The device also has a 6.8 inch screen. This is an FHD plus display, so this is going to be 1080p full HD. We're also going to have 4,000 milliamp battery with USB Type-C fast charging, Android 10, and a 13 megapixel selfie camera. Also, that triple camera setup on the back is pretty cool as well. I feel like the only thing that I don't like about this phone so far is probably the fingerprint sensor. Not that it's not an accurate fingerprint sensor, but just I feel like they could have put a fingerprint sensor in the screen. But this device is very, very affordable at $145. So if you guys are looking for a device, this is definitely what I would be looking for. Now, I don't have the LG K51 on hand right now, but we have the specifications for that right here. It says we have a screen resolution of 1560 by 720. The battery capacity is 4,000 milliamps, so that's going to be the same as the LG Stylo 6. We're going to have a rear camera with a resolution of 13 megapixels, and we're also going to have a 5 megapixel wide angle, a 2 megapixel depth, and a front-facing camera with a resolution of 13 megapixels. We're also going to have the MediaTek Helio P22, so that's going to be a 2 gigahertz octa-core processor with 3 gigabytes of RAM, and the storage is going to be half of what the Stylo 6 is at 32 gigabytes, and up to 16 gigabytes is usable. That's also on Boost right now. That's coming to Metro though. What phone are you guys gonna pick up? I'd go for the LG Stylo 6 if you guys were torn between each phone. This is definitely the phone to get, and I think it's gonna be one of the best budget phones of the year. So definitely tell me what you guys think in the comment section down below. I'm really liking this device so far, and hopefully Metro has some great deals on this device and the LG K51. But yeah, guys, if you did enjoy this video and it was informative, definitely hit that like button as well as subscribing and turning on the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.